Removing the door module on the Mercedes-Benz Actros is similar to cars or vans, but later steps will require an assistant. To make removal easier, lower the side window down to about 20 centimeters from the bottom, which makes it easier to get to the screws. Unclip the interior lamp from the lower edge of the door module, remove it, and pull the plug contact. Detach the door panel lining using a plastic wedge. The screws for the door module are now easily accessible, but do not remove the upper two door module screws yet, only loosen them. Completely remove the three mounting screws in the lower part of the door module. Note that the door module is now being held up by the two upper screws alone. If these come out, the door module could get wedged in the door and suffer damage. With the door module loosened, it is now easy to remove the door frame trim by pushing it downward and taking it off. Remove the theft protection from the door handle mounting screw, and be sure to lock the door lock to avoid damage to the paint around the door lock. Push the door module sideways and push the door handle towards the front, then remove it from the door wing. Remove the pull rods from the door handle and pull the wired connection to the lock switch. With the window lowered, it is now easy to remove the door module screw on the inside. Back in the cab, remove the lower footwell trim and take out all screws. Remove the cover, and now access the door module plug. Disconnect the 12-pin plug and snake it through the pillar to the outside. Note that you will need an assistant for the following steps. For final disassembly, first remove the left and then the right door module screw. Snake the wiring through the door frame. And don't forget the mirror heater connector. Finally, completely remove the door module and place the highly sensitive door module on a padded surface.